What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. This is the second video that I've recorded today. I haven't recorded in like probably a month and a half. I haven't hardly posted any videos. Just haven't been focused on making these videos. But you see, I got a new room here. I'm still not even done like really setting this room up. And I hope you heard Peyton's throat burp.
That was
behind
my
you.
stomach.
Your stomach. Okay.
Growling.
But I'm really happy about this new room. Like, I think it normally happens around the holidays, especially if the kids are gone for a longer period of time. Hesper gets like fidgety, and I guess she's stressed about a lot of different things. And when she's stressed, she reorganizes and moves stuff. And
deep cleans too.
And deep cleans. And she was just like moving everything everywhere. And she's like, "Do you want the spare bedroom?" Even though we were using this like pretty regularly, she's like, "You want the spare bedroom for your shoe room?" And I was like, I mean, yes, I don't know. Then she's like,
telling me or asking me?
But she was telling me because she wanted the old shoe room, which is like the study office in our bedroom, to be her closet. So I moved everything over here. I really like the space. I work in here now pretty much every day, and I like it.
This was my old room.
This was Peyton's old room.
And Haley's.
And Haley's at some point. So not Atticus's.
Nope.
Trent has slept in here many times because it was the spare bedroom, so he would sleep in here every once in a while with Hesper if he wasn't, want to go down and stay up really late. So half the family has used this room. More than half the family. All right, let's get into this video. I think I might know what this video is or what this shoe is, but then this one down here, if this is what I think it is, it's not an old mystery unboxing. But that's what I'm doing now because I've got shoes from literally. Hey, you gotta focus over here. Make sure you point in the right place. We got shoes from literally 2.5, maybe even up to 3 years ago, still in their shipping boxes back there, and I still haven't touched them. There's at least 10 shoes back there still, and there's a couple that are newer, like what I think this is. A couple of like rejects that have a little bit of a story if I open those and open those on camera. If this is what I think it is, then it's not going to be a mystery unboxing. I'll grab the one down below. I will have a quick story about this one. But I just made a full video on this not too long ago. And I think this is what I thought it was. Which, I still need to get these out of the shipping boxes and get them organized. This is a double up for me. This is actually the 5th pair of these that I have. Yeah. This is the Jordan 11 Legend Blue, aka Columbia's. Oh, yeah. This is the first Jordan that I ever owned, the Columbias, back in 1996. I have the 2016 version, I believe that is. I have the lows that came out 2020 or so. Now here I have the first pair of these that I got in 2025, 2024, whatever year it was that I bought these. I guess it was 2024. It was last year. Maybe. I don't know. And that is one of Trent's pairs. He has another pair too. And mine are going on ice because it has been, I think, 9 years. I think it was 2016 since these have retroed, unless this is 2014. Let's see. 2014. So it has been 11 years almost since those have retroed. I don't want to go another 11 years till I get another crispy pair. Once Trent is able to fit in his size 7, I believe that is. That one in there. He also has a size 9 to wear after that, so that he and I can keep twinning them even after he's outgrown them. Then that's why I got. But part of the reason why I got 2 pairs because be able to wear them for a long time with him, probably over a year since he's got the 2 different pairs. All right. So my favorite Jordan, not my favorite Jordan. Concord's my favorite Jordan. Concord 11, but the first one I had means a lot. Oh, 5 pairs. Peyton does not have her own pair. Hesper has her own pair too. And this is a really funny story actually because I said it in the video. She actually started watching my videos a little bit more regularly toward the end of last year, and she watched that video where I said Atticus was filming, and I was like, your mom will probably give you her lows now that she's got the highs, because he always wants a new pair of shoes too, and he probably gets the chance to wear the fewest. So, I mean, he's got his own several pairs, but Peyton wears mine frequently because she's light on her shoes, not like really hard on them. And he's pretty hard on his, so his mom doesn't let him wear hers as frequently. So I was like, your mom will probably give you her lows. And she watched the video and she's like, oh, I need both of them.
I need both.
Like, this feels really materialistic, but I need both of them. All right, so this is, I believe it's from February. It's kind of hard to tell on some of those shipping labels what the date
February again.
is. Right. That's what I'm saying. It's almost February. February, yeah, 2/24. So this is a year ago. I bought this shoe a year ago. I don't even know what it is. I can tell by looking at it without looking at the label. I know it's not a Jordan. It's probably a Dunk. Could be something else, but I don't think I bought anything else. I mean, if I didn't already know, it could have been this, which was another mystery unboxing. I left that unboxed or in the shipping box for a really long time. But I mean, this is kind of exciting for me. It's almost like something was shipped to me and I just paid them some money and said, ship me something cool. But I bought it. So I know that it's got to be somewhat cool because I bought it.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm not like completely at the mercy of what somebody decides to send me. All right, it's a Dunk Low SP special, I guess. I don't know. And let's see what the colorway is, and I might know what it is just from saying what the colorway is. Daybreak Barn Plum. This is the Dunk Low Plum. I own this shoe already. These were really hyped back in 2020, going for probably $300 or $400. And I don't know how much they're going for right now. I'll put it on the screen, so Peyton, you don't have to stop the video, but I'll put it on the screen right here, the StockX ad, the StockX screen for what these are going for right now, and then maybe what they were going for, the price that they were going for, again in 2020 or when they first released. But purple's my favorite color, and I was like, I gotta get these. And now, 5 years later, they are on the back patio, like rotting. I don't want to throw them away, but I've like cut the grass in them. I wore them to the beach a couple of times, so they're done for. Like done for. I don't even want them on the wall in here. They're that done for. But I have these now, and there's some of these that they're retroing, like I don't know what they're officially called, but the other like Ninja Turtle pack, they're retroing those again, and they're much easier to get now. Somewhere in one of these boxes also I've got, I think it's in one of the boxes, I've got my Court Purple that was selling for like $250, and I just sat on it thinking I might wear it one day. It sat, I think, in here or maybe here for years, and now it's worth less than retail, so way to go. All right, I want to see these because it's been a long time since I've seen these nice and crispy. You remember these, right?
I forgot what they looked like.
Yeah, and these are crispy. Look at that, feel that.
That hurt. It's soft.
For a normal Dunk Low, these are great. Like this suede is just buttery. It's not like overly soft, like it's just gonna crush. So it still has a little bit of form to it. And great looking purple. I'm not a huge fan of this Bordeaux color, but when you put it with these two shades of purple and the white, boom. So really old shoe, been around for years. Kind of reminds me of a lobster, the purple lobster, but doesn't cost that much. I mean, I got these for retail. It's not an SB, but these are staying around. Has a normal Dunk insole. I could always take an SB polyurethane insole with the Zoom Air air pocket out of an SB and put it in here if I wanted to do that. One of these shoes back here is an SB. Oh, it's back there in the you don't need to look at it. It's back there in the pile. I think I have 2, maybe 3 SBs sitting back there, same size that if I decide to keep, I can just trade out the insoles. But I'm absolutely keeping these. I think at this point they are not going for even retail, so I would lose money if I sold them. So let's just keep them, wear them every once in a while. Smash that like button for the Dunk Low Plum. Tell your grandma about the Dunk Low Plum. I almost forgot that in my last recording, and I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Ah! And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 black cement.